Oh, really?
It's the No Kings protest. I'm here in favor of democracy. I'm so inflamed at what's going on in this government.
I am protesting people who took an oath to defend the Constitution and are not doing so.
I am here to support our democracy. We need to have 3 co-equal branches of government, and this administration is fighting that at every turn. We need to go back to what the Constitution stands for.
And I'm disgusted in the Republicans because they're just standing there. They've completely let him get away with stuff. That if we're going to be whataboutisms, if any Democratic elected president had done this, the right would be literally freaking out. And we have to start treating all Congress people the same. They have to all be held to the same account.
When injustice becomes law, resistance becomes duty. June is for pride, not for to celebrate tyrants. And if we were deporting because they're criminals, then why didn't we start with them?
It's like they're on open.